Hey there, Excel warriors. Welcome to Excel Hacks Simplified, where we turn you into a spreadsheet pro one shortcut at a time. Today, we're diving into a gem you probably didn't know about. Control plus number 8. Ready to learn something new? Let's go. Ever work with group data in Excel and feel overwhelmed by old outlines cluttering your screen? That's where Ctrl+8 comes to the rescue. It's your one key solution to show or hide outline symbols. Let's say I've grouped some rows in this data set. If I want to focus on the data without those little plus or minus buttons, I just hit Ctrl+8 and they're gone. Want them back? Easy. Hit Ctrl+8 again, and there they are. It's like having a declutter button for your workspace. Whether you are analyzing data or presenting it to someone else, this shortcut keeps things clean and distraction-free. And let me know in the comments down below how Ctrl+8 makes your Excel life easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing Excel tips. Until next time, keep mastering those spreadsheets.